Hi everyone, Brian from GardenMinutes.com here. Today we're sharing with you a little garden inspiration for summer gardening with a plant that anyone can grow in the entire US during the entire month of July. And that plant is green beans. So green beans, aka string beans or snap beans, are super easy to grow. These are the bush style green beans as opposed to pole style. The bush style stays lower to the ground but produces a bit less. For planting, you grow 4 plants per garden grid square, like you can see here. Green beans are pretty quick to mature, producing green pods like these, which you can typically harvest after 50 to 60 days from planting. To make sure you're not harvesting all of the plants at the exact same time, stagger them every few weeks, basically planting in some areas first and some areas later. Then just make sure to keep your soil consistently moist as you would for most garden plants, then harvest once the beans are 5 to 6 inches long.